This 1,000-ton hydraulic press is specially designed for jewelers and refiners producing large weight and large-size gold and silver bars in batches. Multiple safety protection systems. Equipped with safety devices such as safety doors and sensors to ensure safe operation throughout the production process. 2. Dual-cylinder design. The machine is equipped with 2 hydraulic cylinders, one for ejecting the finished product and the other for pressing and forming. This ensures precise control, perfect results, and easy product removal. 3. High-speed, high-quality pressing. It takes only 5 seconds to complete a perfect pressing cycle. The finished product features sharp details and a mirror-like surface finish. This machine is not only capable of pressing 1 kilogram silver bars, but also greatly improves ingot production efficiency. It is an ideal solution for medium and large-scale jewelers and refiners. If you are interested, please contact me.